everyone. Hello beautiful people, I am Laetitia Romanetti. Welcome to my channel Wellness with the Angels. As you see, today I want to honor the power of nature, Mother Nature all around us, and even you cannot see but the birds are already joining the dance of the crystalline magic, because crystal singing bowls like this one, which is my first one, that I call actually Clair de Lune, is amplifying our intentions. It's releasing the old energies, welcoming the new. And I thank Pa, who is collaborating to filming me today in this beautiful park. Feel the resonance, feel the power of your love, tuning into the crystal singing voice, calling you to reset, to stop the mind chat, to stop and breathe. Right, I'm hearing, exactly. Picking up the moment. Nothing is more important than the present moment. This is what we have right here, right now. The future is not to be and the past is done. And I have this quotation from Kung Fu Panda. And we are all connected. So the trees, let's honor the trees today. I'm actually coming closer to one of the magical big trees. I'm also connected to the fairy realms, because fairies do exist. It's not only in cartoon, Walt Disney, magic, Peter Pan, they do exist. Fairy angels of nature also take care of the earth, the elementals, our guardian, our earth, also with us humans, concerned by a better harmony in the world. Through the clouds, through the storm, there is always sunshine, there is always rainbow, watching us or emerging whenever we don't expect, because life is magical if we truly believe in it. And remember, who we are is pure love and light. And yes, we do have our ego. And yes, we do have people who wants to, let's say, hold us back. But please do not listen to people talking, people criticizing your work. Keep shining. Keep being brave for your dreams. Believe in your dreams. Believe you are so much supported. Whenever you ask for divine support, for God, for your celestial team, they have your back. And I'm not saying this, lightly. Life can be, beautiful, magical journey if we believe and if we feel that we are supernatural. And what is our supernatural powers is our faith, our ability to be grateful, even when there is storm around us, even when there is interferences, we can still be grateful. Let's begin now. Let's just be grateful for what we are and what we have. And I invite you to place both of your hands over your heart chakra and just breathe deeply. Slowly. Take your time. co-create the best in your life, tuning to the energies of love, of gratitude, of appreciation, of deep care, and you know that you are co-creating the best. It's better circumstances, people who show up at the right time, at the right place, like how is actually filming me today. It's this collaborative presence is meaningful. And on that, and for this November, for the full moon, I invite you to place an intention, to set an intention from your heart. What is it that you desire? Could be let go of the past, it could be just welcome new opportunities. Just set an intention clearly and know that it is already setting. Near and far is happening. You're planting the seeds of your intention. It's coming from your heart and your soul knows what you need. Thank you to Pao. Thank you to Mother Nature. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for the synchronicities and the magic of life. I see you later. I'm Laetitia Romanetti. Bye bye.